Hello, welcome to my channel. My name's Amanda and I love crafting, shopping, decor and makeovers. Thanks for tuning in. I wanted to do a little look back video this week where I look at the last couple of years garden tour, garden makeover videos. I've been doing them since 2022, so I have 3 years worth of content, as well as I think I did a makeover video as well. I don't want to bore you with the whole video. So what I've done is I've just taken some pictures from each one, a couple of clips and put them together. So it's a short video today just to give a little bit of inspiration. I think it will give me just as many ideas as it might you, especially as I can see things that I've used previously and kind of go, oh, I need to put that somewhere different to try and make it a new look. Although, to be fair, some things do work where they are, like the arbour is good where it is because of it's nice and shady when the sun's out, because we are south facing, so it does get very hot on the patio. So some of the things, need to be where they are. But I am going to try and make this year's garden tour makeover as different as I can. I've got to go to the garden centre and get some things. I have started making some changes. I have painted my arbour, so there will be some new looks to things. Please have a little look around at the last couple of years around the garden. Let me know what you think. See if you've got any good ideas for me, because I do love to hear from you. If you're doing anything exciting in your gardens, I would love to know. Sit back, relax and enjoy a lovely peaceful walk around the garden. So, as always, thanks ever so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. And if you have, thank you very much. It does mean a lot. Please give me a thumbs up, turn on notifications, drop me a comment, because I do love to hear from you. So, until next time, take care. Bye-bye.